In today's video, I will walk you through how to run a profit and loss report in Xero. To begin, go to the top of the Xero interface and click on the Reporting tab. This will open the list of available reports. From the Reporting menu, find and select Profit and Loss. Once you click it, the Profit and Loss report will open. When the report first loads, it may display the default date range or the date range that was used most recently. If the information shown isn't up to date or doesn't include your latest transactions, you can refresh the report. To do that, click the Update button. This refreshes the report so it includes the latest data and any recent changes that have been made to your accounts. Once the report has finished updating, review the information displayed on the screen. If you needed the latest entries to appear, they should now be included after the report refreshes. If the report initially opened with a different date range than the one you expected, simply update the report so the information displayed reflects the most recent data available. The process is straightforward. After the report updates, you'll have the current version of your profit and loss report available to view. Whenever you've added new transactions or made changes to your accounts, you can repeat the same process to refresh the report. Go to Xero Dashboard, select Reporting, click Profit and Loss, then update if your latest entry is not included, and wait for the report to reload with the latest information. Once the report has refreshed, you can review the updated figures shown on the screen. If everything looks correct, the report has been successfully updated and is ready to use. That's all there is to running a profit and loss report in Xero. The steps are simple. Thanks for watching. Please like and share if this video helped you.